Welcome to our exploration of organizational development. In today's fast-paced business world, understanding and implementing effective organizational strategies is crucial for survival and growth. Organizational development, or OD, helps an organization build its capacity to change and achieve greater effectiveness through the development of its people, processes, and structures. Now, let's consider why it's so critically important. Modern businesses operate in an environment that is constantly evolving. Having a robust strategy for organizational development means your business isn't just reacting to change, but harnessing it to drive success. In this journey, we'll explore how OD can transform your organization, overcoming resistance and leading to a more adaptable, resilient, and forward-thinking business. You'll gain insights into strategies that aid in leadership development, change management, and continuous improvement. Stay with us as we dive deeper into the current state of organizations. Many organizations are at a crossroads, grappling with significant challenges that impede their progress. From outdated processes to a strong resistance to change, these obstacles can appear insurmountable. This is the initial state of many organizations, where inefficiencies and fear of the unknown stifle growth. These struggles often create a workforce that's frustrated and unmotivated, struggling to adapt in an ever-evolving business landscape. Recognizing these challenges is the crucial first step in any transformative journey. Yet, for those willing to face these issues head-on, the potential for growth and success becomes limitless. As we venture further, we'll uncover the reasons why change is not just necessary, but essential for long-term organizational success. Change is not just a part of life, it is a pivotal element of progress. For any organization, the necessity for change becomes the fuel for growth. Addressing challenges through organizational development provides a strategic path to overcome obstacles and achieve success. The benefits are multifaceted: increased efficiency, heightened innovation, and stronger team dynamics. Embracing change means paving the way for new opportunities, streamlining processes, and fostering an environment of continuous improvement. As we embark on this journey, reflect on the importance of transformation. Consider not just the immediate hurdles but the long-term benefits that change entails. Next, we will explore how implementing the right strategies can catapult your organization towards success. At this pivotal point in our journey, we delve into the realm of organizational strategies. Implementing the right strategies is crucial for development. Let's explore some key organizational strategies that have proven successful across various industries. These strategies act as the cornerstone for growth, facilitating change and driving success. For instance, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging innovation, and embracing feedback help organizations stay agile and responsive. Another effective strategy is implementing data-driven decision-making, enabling leaders to make informed, strategic choices that align with organizational goals. Additionally, investing in employee development boosts morale and equips the workforce with necessary skills. As we move forward, you'll see how leadership plays a pivotal role in driving these strategies to fruition. Stay with us for the secrets to effective leadership development. Strong leadership is the backbone of any successful organization. Developing effective leaders is a necessity, enabling organizations to cultivate a culture of innovation, resilience, and teamwork. It's about recognizing potential, mentoring emerging leaders, and providing continuous development opportunities. Great leaders inspire others, drive change, and make strategic decisions that propel the organization forward. Tests and trials may come, but with strong leaders at the helm, navigating complexities becomes a shared and manageable journey. Effective leadership development programs create a lineage of strong leaders who can adapt to evolving business landscapes, ensuring long-term success. As we move forward, you'll see how managing change effectively plays a pivotal role in this journey of growth and transformation. Let's delve into the art of change management and discover how to overcome resistance and embrace new practices effectively. In the world of organizational development, navigating change requires precision and insight. Effective change management isn't just about initiating new practices, it's about guiding everyone through the transition, ensuring smooth adaptation and alignment. Resistance is inevitable, but with the right strategies, it can be transformed into acceptance and enthusiasm. Change management involves clear communication, consistent leadership, and fostering an environment where employees feel valued. Overcoming resistance begins with understanding the root causes of hesitation and addressing them proactively. Through structured training programs, open dialogue, or leadership support, each step creates a pathway for success. True change management integrates both the human and operational aspects of an organization. Gradually adopting these practices can reshape your organization, paving the way for sustained growth. Let's dive into the strategies that will help you master the art of change management. Adopting new practices can indeed be a formidable challenge. Organizations often face resistance and uncertainty about the future. However, with the right approach, perseverance leads to success. For example, a mid-sized company struggling to modernize its operations embraced gradual adoption of new technologies and saw remarkable success. Employees adapted, processes streamlined, and productivity soared. Such success stories are testaments to the power of strategic implementation. As these new practices embed within the organization, the initial struggle gives way to a new era of efficiency and growth. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are undeniable. As we move forward, you'll see how these transformations manifest in real-world scenarios. Success isn't merely an endpoint, it's a journey marked by continuous improvement and adaptation. Let's delve deeper into these stories and see how adopting new practices can turn the tide in an organization's favor. As new practices take hold, a remarkable transformation begins to unfold. Organizations start to witness visible changes, not only in their processes but in the overall workplace environment. Team dynamics improve, and productivity levels rise. Leadership becomes more inspirational, guiding their teams to new heights. The positive outcomes are undeniable: heightened efficiency, boosted morale, and a renewed sense of purpose. This is the reward of embracing organizational development. The journey has not been without its challenges, but the rewards are plentiful. Stories of success become more frequent, demonstrating that with dedication and strategic implementation, significant improvements are possible. As we move forward, you'll see how these transformations are celebrated and how they pave the way for sustaining growth. As we near the end of our journey, it's essential to pause and celebrate the milestones we've achieved along the way. Recognizing accomplishments boosts team morale and reinforces the tangible benefits of our organizational development efforts. Each success, big or small, is a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved. Celebrating these wins fosters a culture of positivity and motivation, encouraging continuous growth and improvement. It's a reminder that progress is made of many small victories, each building upon the last. As you reflect on your own milestones, take pride in what you've achieved, and look forward with renewed energy. And as we move forward, you'll see how sustaining this growth ensures long-term success. Sustaining growth requires commitment and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The journey doesn't end with initial success, it's about maintaining momentum and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Continuous improvement should be the mantra of every thriving organization. Regular training and development initiatives are crucial for sustained growth. Empower your team with the skills and knowledge they need to adapt and innovate. Engage in ongoing reviews and refine strategies to ensure they align with your long-term goals. Foster an environment where feedback is valued and embraced as an opportunity for growth. Remember, organizational development is an ever-evolving process. Together, we can create an environment that not only embraces change but thrives on continuous improvement. Stick with us as we uncover the keys to sustaining momentum and securing a prosperous future. And so, we conclude our journey through the dynamic world of organizational development. We've navigated essential strategies and highlighted the critical role of leadership and change management. We've seen how adopting new practices can lead to remarkable transformations and celebrated milestones along the way. But the journey doesn't end here. Now, it's your turn to take these insights and put them into action. Implement these strategies and watch as your organization grows and thrives. The tools for success are now in your hands. Remember, every step towards development strengthens your organization. Let's start this transformative journey today. Your future of success awaits. Thank you for joining us. Harness the power of organizational development and drive your organization towards unprecedented success.